everyone, once again welcome back to my channel Active Education Pro. I am here to solve now question number 7 of exercise 2.4 class 8 linear equations in one variable. So let's start question number 7. This is very important of this exercise. This question is very important for you. Thoroughly, kindly please watch the video from starting to ending. That's why you don't have any doubt regarding this question. This question is very important for you. Complicated but not impossible to solve. Okay, so let's start. And yes, request, please subscribe my channel and watch this video thoroughly till it ends. So let's start. Question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt materials that cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600 rupees. How much trouser material did he buy? So here there is one person, his name is Hassan. He buys two kind of cloth materials. One is shirt and another is trouser material. This question is related with profit loss. Okay, buying or selling. Buying, and again Hassan sells the product at the price of 36,600. So as per the clue, as per the question, first extract the clues. Hassan buys two kind of cloth materials. One is shirt material and another is trouser material. Then that cost him 50 rupees per meter. Shirt material costs him 50 rupees per meter. Shirt and trouser cost 50 rupees and trouser material that costs him 90 rupees per meter. The value of trouser of 1 meter is 90 rupees. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. 3 meter shirt with 2 meter trouser. 3 meter with 2 meter per 1 piece dress. For 1 piece uniform, Hassan buys 3 meter of shirt material and 2 meter of trouser material. And then he again sells it. Look here, first buys and then sell. Then of course he sells means some profit are there. So profit percentage for shirt material is 12% and for trouser material is 10%. These are the clue. And final total selling price is 36,600. Selling price. This is the final value, selling price. These are the clue of this question. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials. One is shirt and another is trouser. Cost of 1 meter shirt material is 50 rupees and 1 meter trouser material is 90 rupees. For 1 piece dress, he buys 3 meter of shirt material and 2 meter of trouser material. And when he sells it, again 12% profit on shirt material and 10% profit on trouser material. So let's start. In this question, first try to calculate. We have to calculate first the amount of total expenditure for one piece of school uniform, one pair of school uniform. For a pair of school uniform, how much expenditure Hassan need and how much the total selling price of one pair of school uniform. So first take 1 meter cost is 50 rupees and trouser is 90 rupees. 3 meter of shirt needed. 3 meter of shirt material. It will be 3 into 50. It will be 150 rupees per 3 meter of shirt material. 150 for 3 meter of shirt material. Then ton of trouser. 2 meter required of 90 rupees meter. 2 into trouser, 2 into 90 is 180 per 2 meter of trouser material. Trouser material and a shirt material. Then he makes profit of 12% on shirt material. Profit of 12%. Profit on shirt material. Here I notify it with capital S for shirt. Profit on shirt 12%. It means 150 into 12 by 100. 0 0 cancelled. 2 3 cancelled by 5, 6, and here 18 rupees. 12% of 150 rupees. 12% of shirt material for one pair. Here I calculate all this calculation for one pair of school uniform. One pair of school uniform require 150 rupees of shirt material and 180 rupees of trouser material, because it requires 3 meter of shirt material means 3 into 50 150, and 2 meter of trouser material means 180 rupees. And then Hassan again sell it with 12% profit on shirt material. So 12% on of 150 rupees is 18 rupees. Then the total selling price you know, profit with cost price. He buy at 150 rupees and then profit is 18 rupees. Then the selling price will be 150 plus 18, which is 1680 rupees. 168 rupees. Then profit for trouser. Profit on trouser. The percentage profit of trouser is 10%. 10%. So total cost of trouser is 180 rupees. 180 into 10 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, and 18 rupees. For one pair of school uniform, cost price of trouser material is 180 rupees, and then profit of 10% it will be 18. The profit value is 18 rupees on trouser material, and then selling price of trouser material will be selling price 180 plus 18, 198 rupees. Finally, at this price of shirt material and at this price of trouser material, Hassan sells these both the products. Means he marked total 168 plus 198, 366 rupees for one pair of school uniform. This is the price for one pair school uniform. 366 rupees. Means he sell one pair school uniform at 366 rupees. Then next moves to our question. How much trouser material did he buy? Total selling price of Hassan is 36,600 and he sells one pair of uniform at 366 rupees. Now we have to calculate number of pair. First, question gives us to find out amount of trouser material, but here first we have to find out the number of pair total he sells at 36,600 rupees. Number of pair 36,600 by 366 100 pair. So Hassan sells 100 pair of such uniform, same uniform at 36,600 rupees. And for 100 pair uniform, we need for one pair of school uniform, its trouser material require of 2 meter. For 100 pair, one pair required 2 meter of trouser material. So 100 pair required 100 into 2, 200 meter of trouser material, 200 meter of trouser material. Okay, this is your answer, 200 meter. If in question asks us how much amount of trouser material, then you know 90 rupees per meter of trouser material, then you multiply 90 with 200 meter to find out total amount of trouser material. Okay, again I repeat it. There are two types of materials, one is shirt and another is trouser, and 50 rupees per meter of shirt material and trouser material cost 90 rupees per meter. And for one pair of uniform, it requires 3 meter of shirt and 2 meter of trouser. And Hassan sells at a profit of 12% on shirt material and 10% on trouser material, and the total selling price is 36,600. Here in this question, first we have to calculate the total expenditure for one pair of school uniform and total selling price of Hassan for one pair of school uniform. One pair of school uniform is very important for this question. So first calculate the total amount of requirement of shirt material and trouser material for one pair of school uniform. So here we know, as per the question given to us, 3 meter of shirt material is required to make one pair of school uniform and 2 meter of trouser material is required to make uniform, one pair of uniform. So finally 3 into 50 per meter. The value of shirt material is 50 rupees per meter. So 3 into 50 is 150 for 3 meter of shirt material. The value of 3 meter shirt material is 150 rupees and the value of 2 meter trouser material is 180 rupees. 2 into 90 is 180 rupees. And profit, he makes a profit of 12% on shirt material. So 12% of cost price of shirt material, 150 into 12 by 100 is 18 rupees, and the selling price of the shirt material will be 150 plus 18 is 168 rupees. Similarly, he makes a profit of 10% on trouser material. So profit of trouser material means 180 rupees is the cost price of trouser material and then 10% on it. So 10% of 180 is 18 rupees. Then the selling price of trouser is 198 rupees. Then finally he sells the shirt material 168 rupees and trouser material 198 rupees, and the total selling price for one school uniform, because one pair of school uniform means both are needed, shirt and trouser. Individually shirt price is 168 and trouser price is 198. Together it costs 366 rupees. And as per the question given to us, total selling price is 36,600 and one pair uniform selling price of Hassan is 366 rupees. So first we have to calculate number of pair. First calculate the expenditure list expenditure amount for one pair of school uniform, then calculate the number of pair he sells. So 3600 600 by 366 is 100 pair. We know one pair of uniform require 2 meter of trouser material. One pair of school uniform requires 3 meter of shirt material and 2 meter of trouser material, and 100 pair require 100 into is 200 meter of trouser material. This is your answer. The total meter of trouser material Hassan buy. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.